Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I'll talk about the other features of Bootstrap. So firstly I'll talk about the Bootstrap and then I'll explain the other features of Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a powerful open source framework for developing responsive and mobile web applications. It was originally created by Twitter and it is now maintained by the community of developers. So here are some features and the component of Bootstrap. First one is it is a responsive grid system. So Bootstrap uses a 12 column grid system. Like in the CSS, we take the width, for example, 100%. Here we have to take width that width 100% would be here 12 column empty 12. So we have 12 column grid system that helps developers create responsive layout that adapt to different screen sizes and resolution. So this system is flexible and you can customize it to fit various design needs. Second one is it is predefined component. So like Bootstrap comes with a wide range of ready to use components such as navigation bars, buttons, forms, modals, carousels, modes, and many more. So these components are designed to work seamlessly with each other, providing a consistent look and feel across the applications. Third feature is CSS and JavaScript utilities. Bootstrap includes a set of CSS classes and JavaScript plugins that offer additional functionality and customization options. These utilities help with tasks like typography, spacing, alignment, and form validation. First one is another one is cross-border compatibility. So it ensures that web application look and function well across different browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Internet Explorer. And last one is it is mobile first approach. So Bootstrap is designed with mobile first philosophy, meaning it prioritizes mobile devices and then scale up to the large screens. So this will ensure that applications are optimized for mobile performance and usability also. So here I have copied the link of Bootstrap. This have to copy. You can get this from the W3 School Bootstrap section. And here I have made a registration page which also I have used here carousel. So in the last video I also mentioned about carousels, but in this video क्योंकि, because it is one of the important topic of carousel is look wise quite important, look wise quite fascinating. That's why I've used here and again these carousel slides, and I have used Angular JPJ the image, and this is the basic registration page, context, player, password, and button. Sorry, this is the login page, and here and this is the registration page. In the same page, we'll have login as well as the registration page. And I mentioned in the earlier in this video, I have to use this call MD12. So I'm running it, and yes, this is perfectly run. You can see here this is the login page, this is the registration page, and I think that carousel, yes, it is working. I have three images here. You can have multiple images. Now I'll talk about all the buttons in this Bootstrap. So yes, here is the button. All type of buttons I have pasted here from the W3 school, and we have button, primary, secondary, success, info, warning, danger, dark, light, link. We have every type of buttons. This is the class. You have to just copy that class, that only button, btn primary, and you will get that. Uh, you will get that button. So I'm running it, and so as you can see, you have all type of buttons, be it primary, secondary, such as info, warning, danger. You can use it according to the demand of the situation. These all types of button you can use from the Bootstrap. You don't need to like in the CSS we have to use the body background color, then have to use the color of the font. Here you don't have to use anything, just you have to copy that classes and you will have that button. Now we have another type of button types, which is this. So here I have used a button btn group lg, which I'll explain it after running it. And here I've used the btn group vertical. So I'll have three buttons with the vertical in the downward direction. And I have also this nesting button group drop down button menus, which means that I have a drop down in the drop down button menus in the button itself, which you will get to know uh, after I run it. So yes, I'm running it. Yes, button. Yes, this is the first function button. I'll talk about it. And this is the vertical button. You can have this vertical button Apple, Samsung, and Sony. And this is the nesting button group drop down button menus, which means that this is Apple, this is Samsung, and in the Sony I have here used the drop down button menus, table, smartphone. So here you only have to copy class that class only, this drop down btn primary button drop down toggle, and you'll able to use this feature. It also use this pt data bs toggle drop down. So you can have it from the W3 School Bootstrap section, all these things. And you can have multiple such kind of things, which is look wise quite interesting. And also I've used a toast function, which you will get to know after running it. So I've used here toast. This is you have to copy from a Bootstrap section of W3 School, and here I'm running it toast. Yes, here you can see that toast header and some text inside the toast body. If you have to use like a card, so you have to uh, you can write here the header, and if any information or any description about anything that you like to mention, and paste it here on on any page of HTML page, on any HTML page, so you can use it. Its name is toast, so you can have it in the Bootstrap section of W3 School. So yes, by leveraging this Bootstrap, you can have a fascinating and good looking, beautiful, you can say HTML page, which which is quite tedious when we use the CSS part. And if I use the Bootstrap, easily you can have this easily without worrying much, and without using the without using the much coding. You have to just copy this link, and this you have to just copy this link, and you can use here this class, and you'll have all type of function that you want to see. So thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.